I'm back over here at this old town site in this boat ramp. I made a video over here 2 or 3 months ago, and we'd had a drought, probably 2 months, and the river was real low. And I walked all the way to the bottom of the boat ramp out there past that bank. But the last 3 days we've had pretty heavy rain. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow. So this river, let's say it's up about 12, 14 feet, and it'll probably rise more. When you see that foam out there and limbs and stuff, it's still rising. And when you don't see that more, it'll be crested. And I'm gonna walk over here on top of this hill and see if I can get a better view. Well, somebody's got a boat in the river. I'd be scared to go down that boat ramp. It's so steep. Just my luck, my truck would run into the river. That's the old highway there, and there was a 1-lane steel truss bridge over here. I think it was built 1897. Before they built the bridge over that way, they had a ferry crossing. There used to be a low bank down there, a sandbar, and that's what it was. They built that new bridge and road up there in 1971. And sometime later, they tore this old bridge down. And this is the old bridge abutment. There are some of the head wall pilings right there. In the early 60s, we had a big river flood in 61. And after that, the piers on this side of the river had started leaning. So they tied a big steel cable to the pilings, and they ran it out into the woods there and tied it to a big cedar tree. I'm gonna walk down there and see if I can find that cable. Well, I made it down here in the woods. I was over here 2 or 3 years ago and saw that cable. That old cedar tree used to be right up in there somewhere. Here's the cable. Still here. One of these days I'm gonna walk up there and see if I can find that tree stump. This is what they call the Leaf River. We're in Perry County, Mississippi. Well, I'll see you next time.